I bake cookies in my kitchen. I bake cookies in my kitchen. I fold the clean laundry carefully. I fold the clean laundry carefully. I prepare a cup of tea for myself. I prepare a cup of tea for myself. I listen to music in my room. I listen to music in my room. I set the table for dinner. I set the table for dinner. She sweeps the floor with a wooden broom.
She sweeps the floor with a wooden broom.
I look at old photographs in my album. I look at old photographs in my album.
She sews a button on her shirt. She sews a button on her shirt.
I watch birds from my window seat. I watch birds from my window seat.
She turns off the lights before bedtime. She turns off the lights before bedtime. She wipes the kitchen counter after cooking. She wipes the kitchen counter after cooking. She opens the curtains to let sunshine in. She opens the curtains to let sunshine in. She sorts her mail at the kitchen table. She sorts her mail at the kitchen table.
I turn on the radio to hear the news. I turn on the radio to hear the news. I check the calendar on my kitchen wall. I check the calendar on my kitchen wall. I adjust my eyeglasses to read better. I adjust my eyeglasses to read better.
She pours milk into a glass bottle. She pours milk into a glass bottle.
She refills the sugar bowl from a tin. She refills the sugar bowl from a tin.
I put on my slippers by the front door. I put on my slippers by the front door. I put fresh sheets on the guest bed. I put fresh sheets on the guest bed. She straightens the picture frame on the wall. She straightens the picture frame on the wall. I lock the front door at night. I lock the front door at night.
She places a blanket over her knees. She places a blanket over her knees. She writes in her daily journal. She writes in her daily journal. She empties the trash bin carefully. She empties the trash bin carefully.
She waters the plants in her garden. She waters the plants in her garden. She reads a book on the sofa. She reads a book on the sofa.
She knits a warm scarf by the window. She knits a warm scarf by the window.
She feeds her cat in the morning.
She feeds her cat in the morning.
She talks on the phone with her daughter. She talks on the phone with her daughter.
I dust the furniture in the living room. I dust the furniture in the living room.
She writes a letter at her desk. She writes a letter at her desk.
She puts fresh flowers in a vase. She puts fresh flowers in a vase.
I organize my kitchen cupboards carefully. I organize my kitchen cupboards carefully. I water the small herbs on my windowsill. I water the small herbs on my windowsill. I arrange cushions on my favorite chair. I arrange cushions on my favorite chair. I polish the mirror in my hallway. I polish the mirror in my hallway.
She hangs laundry on the clothesline outside. She hangs laundry on the clothesline outside. She stirs a pot of soup on the stove. She stirs a pot of soup on the stove.
I wind the old clock on the mantelpiece. I wind the old clock on the mantelpiece. I trim the candle wick with small scissors. I trim the candle wick with small scissors. I fluff the pillows on my bed. I fluff the pillows on my bed.
She closes the window to keep warm inside. She closes the window to keep warm inside. She mends a small tear in the tablecloth. She mends a small tear in the tablecloth.
I warm my hands by the fireplace. I warm my hands by the fireplace.
She irons her favorite dress carefully. She irons her favorite dress carefully.
I take my vitamins with breakfast.
She clips coupons from the newspaper. She clips coupons from the newspaper.
I spray water on my houseplants. I spray water on my houseplants. I replace the batteries in the remote. I replace the batteries in the remote.